Okay, y'all, I'm at Bath and Body Works, as y'all see in the background right there, and no one's there. The lights is off. I'm the first one. I came this early because I actually have to go back to work. We have early release today, and I have to go back in like an hour and a half. So I had to come on over here, especially since these new drops, this ice cream shop collection is very limited. I didn't know that. A couple of people told me on my live stream. Hopefully you looking at my live stream, my Let's Chat videos. Hopefully y'all tuning in to that. So it's just a spot where we just kind of talk, you know, talk about Bath and Body Works deals, things of that nature. So yeah, they told me that this collection is super limited. So I decided to just come on over here, grab what I want. Most definitely going to use my coupon, my 25% off. I could get the candles for under $11, around like $10.50, $10, somewhere up in there. So leave in the comments, let me know, are you shopping this spring candle event? Are you gonna shop, or is it a pass for you? Leave that down in the comments. I'm gonna wait this little 15 minutes and then go in here and shop. So I'll be right back and let y'all know what I think about the candles, all of that stuff. So I'll be back in a little bit. Hi, I'm fine. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I got my bags, and he gave me two bags. Two huge bags. Now, if y'all was just in my live, I said I did not want to like buy a lot, but I end up buying way more than I was planning on buying because the price is so good. This price is very, very close to Candle Day. You can't beat the prices. So I had to. Even if I just kind of like return some of the stuff that I bought. The candles is $9.71. You cannot beat that. So I just went on and just got what I wanted. But I feel like it was worth it. So I got a backup. Two backups. I got two backups. Fresh sheets. Y'all know I absolutely love this scent. If you like a detergent, like a laundry detergent scent, you like a fresh candle, but this one has a hint of apple. It is so good, and from my experience, it is a powerhouse. So I got another backup. I have a single wick. I think I have two single wicks, and this will make my second 3 wicks. So yes, I'm gonna be good for now, but if this candle is around on semi-annual, I most definitely will grab a few more. So good. Highly recommend this if you love that fresh, clean scent. It's kind of similar to Laundry Day, but I like this one better. I just do. The next candle I got is Lavender Vetiver. But as y'all do know, I've been waiting on this. I've been waiting. Last year, I only bought one, so I was super, super happy that they came back with it. So yeah, I end up grabbing one. If y'all don't know, this candle is $29.95. Why? I don't know, but it's $29.95. So this was a perfect sale to get this. To get it for $9.71, probably about $10 with taxes. I'm telling y'all, this is the best sale. This sale is so good. So I got this. Love this candle. Oh, something in it. Love, this is super, super nice. Again, if I could find this on semi-annual, I most definitely will be grabbing maybe 1 or 2 more if I could find this on semi-annual. Because y'all been telling me to get this candle. I finally decided to get Blue Bungalow. I bought 2 of them. I got 2 of the Blue Bungalow candles. because y'all keep saying this is super, super good. So I decided to just go ahead and grab it. I do have the other version of it, but from what y'all said, it is not the same. It's a totally different scent. So I decided to go ahead and grab it. Yes, this is more like a fresh scent. Not fresh like that fresh sheets. It's more fresh like beachy, watery, like that. Seesaw breeze, beachside, eucalyptus, and floral shore. So yeah, if you like that beachy scent, you will love this one. So I decided to just grab 2. And then in this bag, I decided to grab this free. I don't think I have this one, but what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna exchange this out, maybe. I don't know. But this is the watermelon mojito. It's not, I remember a long time ago, they wouldn't even let you get the fine fragrance mist with your rewards.
I keep saying rewards. I mean coupon, with your coupon.
But now they are. So I decided to grab this because I don't need any more hand cream, to be real honest. I really don't. Because y'all know I refill the tubes. So yeah, I grabbed that. Okay, on to the main event. This ice cream collection, this super limited edition collection, as y'all did see, my store have a couple of cases of this candle, and this is PB&J ice cream. The scent notes is raspberry jelly, vanilla ice cream, peanut butter sauce. Now I did smell this in the store. I know a lot of people are saying that this smells like wild berry jam, but to me, I do smell that peanut butter. Yeah, I smell that peanut butter most definitely, but I do get what they saying, that jam part, that raspberry part. I most definitely smell this, and I grabbed 3 of these. At first, I was only gonna grab 2 of each, but because I seen that my store had a couple of cases, now I don't know what they got in the back because I didn't ask. But as far as like the front, they had a couple of cases, and I did show that. So I think this is gonna be good. I actually love the way it smells on cold. Yeah, I like this. So that's the reason why I grabbed 3. And then the next one is this Limoncello unicorn sprinkles. The packaging is actually cute on both of these, the little sprinkles. And then the scent notes on this one is raspberry, lemon, and sugar cane. This is just okay for me. Yeah, this is just okay. This smells like those, you know, those little hard candy, the lemon with the slight sugar on it. That's what this kind of smell like to me. I think they're called lemon drops. Yeah, that's what I'm getting with this. I'm not smelling raspberries though. I'm getting more of that lemon. So I grabbed 3. And that ain't really tangy to me. Maybe slightly. But it's more like sugary, sweet lemon, like that lemon drop candy to me. But we're going to see exactly what these do. Leave in the comments, what is your take on these 2 candles, the new limited edition release? What do you think about it? Did you grab any of these, or was it a total pass for you? I know a lot of people placed the order for these candles, and they are sold out online. So if you want these candles, you got to go to the store. Hopefully, you know, you make it before they sell out. Packaging is super, super cute. I like it. The other part of this collection is supposed to come out April 5th, I believe. So hopefully it's not like a limited edition type of thing. Got to run to the store. Hopefully it's not like that. But as far as these are nice. My pick out of these 2, I think I like this one more than this one. This one has to be my pick. The one that I'm super happy that I grabbed. Like I was telling the sales associate, because she liked this one more. And like I was telling her, you know, they hardly ever do a peanut butter candle. So when they do it, it's best to grab it because you never know when they're going to do another peanut butter candle. They always do some type of lemon candle. So a lemon candle is super easy to get. So that's the reason why, you know, this is good, but it ain't nothing special to me. Yeah, and a lot of people might say the same thing about this one because it smells so similar to wild berry jam. But to me, that wild berry jam has more of a crust note, if I could remember it, because I haven't burned that candle in a long time. Whereas this, you literally could smell that peanut butter in it. So I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, I like this one. But so yeah, like I was saying, leave in the comments, what did you get? What is your pick out of the 2 limited edition releases? Which one is a must-have for you? Leave that down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave your girl some comments. Also, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. So, also, shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you for always watching anything and everything your girl put out. I truly do appreciate it. So it's time for me to get back to work. Yep. Grab me some quick lunch and head on back. And then I will be on spring break. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.